Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Verasity. In my last video, we were watching that the price line of Verasity was reached the resistance of a down channel on the daily time frame. But unfortunately, it is again rejected by the resistance and right now it is testing a very strong support zone. And in today's video, we will analyze, are we going to have a reversal from here or it can break it down? But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. First of all, let me to show you this weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line is moving above a very strong support zone that starts from 2.9 cents and goes to 2.4 cents. And we can see that previously here, it was breaking as a rejection line or resistance line. And once the price line broke it out, it worked as a support here, and right now it was again working as a support. When it was rejected, that was March 2021. If I switch to the daily time frame chart, then in the month of March 2021, this rejection can be seen. Clearly, we can see that we had a very nice rally, but the price line rejected and accumulated here before the next move and broke it out. Now let's move back to the weekly time frame again. And here I would like to show you one more thing, and that's a nice signal and a hope as well that the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Previously, when the stochastic was oversold, we had a nice rally, but this time the stochastic has entered the oversold zone. Therefore, this time there are more chances for the price reversal from here. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. First of all, let me to place this trend line, then I'll switch to the daily time frame to show you the resistance of the channel. Here we had the resistance of the channel, and here we had the support. And now I'm just going to switch to the daily time frame. And you can see that the price line is getting rejected by the resistance of this down channel on this daily time frame. And for example, if the price line moves at this support at 2.4 cents, in that situation, it's possible it will not retest the previous resistance support of this channel, and it will have a reversal from this support if it will be moved more down. Now, again, if we watch the target for this channel, in case of breakout, then here we have the first resistance after the breakout. That is approximately at 4.2 cents. Then we will have the final resistance will be approximately at 8.7 cents. And after breaking out 8.7 cents, it can start a very big move and the long-term rally as well. However, from 2.77 cents to 8.7 cents in itself is a really very big move. The price line needs to cover for a start a long-term rally. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.